Welcome to the Chiefs Arena match preview time. We are officially back as we take on Stellenbosch on Sunday at Athlone Stadium, 5:30. As always, we're going to bring you the predicted starting 11 and match analysis. Make sure to like the video, get your thoughts in down on the comment section, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. So it's the very first game of the season. Very difficult to analyze. Don't know what to expect, from the teams. But I watched Stellenbosch on Sunday against AmaZulu. They look the same team. They've lost Fawaz Basadi. They've replaced him with Omega Mtaga, who's our academy player, great player. They've lost Chore. They've replaced him with Achenko Simkaba, who's also a great player. So that's how Stellenbosch run, mate. They sell players and they always find it easy to replace them. So it's going to be the very same Stellenbosch, very disciplined defensively and very dangerous on the attack. We've beat them 3 times last season, but I'm still not confident, and also judging from our transfer window, I think we didn't have a good transfer window. Didn't sign a goalkeeper. Didn't sign a attacking midfielder. We only signed one midfielder, Special Ndlovu. Didn't sign a winger, So I think we didn't do enough in the transfer market, so that's why I'm not really confident. Because I feel like we didn't address all the problems we had last season, and this season, unfortunately, there are no excuses. There are no excuses for the manager. There are no excuses for the players. We have to deliver. We have to win games. So this is the predicted starting 11. Brendan Peterson in goals. Who on his day, to be fair, is a very great goalkeeper. But then there's always this thing about Brendan Peterson. I'm not confident. I'm never confident when Brendan Peterson is in goals. As much as I believe he's a good shot stopper, he may drop the ball any moment. He can make a very costly mistake anytime. So that's why I don't really have confidence on him. But he's been doing very well during preseason. So let's see what he does in these competitive games. I think he's going to be our number 1 until he drops the ball. So let's see what happens. On the right, Thabiso Mnyane, the new signing, who has been fantastic, I have to say, during the preseason. I think he was really impressive. Let's also see him in the competitive match. On the left, also a new signing in Kanyiso Shinga, who also looked good, more especially on the ball. I'm a bit worried about him defensively. I think he struggled with pace, and maybe that's because of his knee. I think he had a problem with his knee. As you can see, it was heavily strapped. So I still want to see him defensively. I have not seen him enough, but on the ball, he's a really good player. But at the end of the day, he's a defender, and his primary job is to defend. Center back pairing, Inaso Miguel on the right, of course, our new captain. On the left center back, Aiden McCarthy, who has been also fantastic during the preseason. And if he continues playing the way he did during the preseason, it will be very difficult for him to get out of this team. It will be difficult for Rushin Totli to get back into this team. So Aiden McCarthy has been fantastic, and he definitely starts. In the middle of the park, Sibongiseni Mthethwa as the number 6, with Thabo Cele as the number 8. So this is how we are going to shape when we don't have the ball. Thabo Cele is going to sit alongside Sibongiseni Mthethwa. And when we have the ball, Thabo Cele is going to push a bit higher, closer to Nkosingphile Ngcobo. So Mthethwa will be the one responsible for making us play, which is not his greatest strength. I think Thabo Cele, as much as he's not a natural number 6, he did very well last season as a number 6. I believe we should have kept him there in that position, but it seems like this season he's going to play a bit higher on the pitch. So let's see how that one works out. And coming in as the number 10, Nkosingphile Ngcobo, who was fantastic also during the preseason. An incredible performance in the last preseason game, the Toyota Cup. He won the man of the match there. I think it was a great shift from him. But The only problem I have with Nkosingiphile Ngcobo as a number 10, he tends to drop too much for my liking. You know, I want to see him further up the pitch, receiving the ball in between the opponent's defense and the midfield, in the pockets. That's where he's most dangerous. I like to see him there. I don't want him to drop, more, because he becomes less effective, as a number 10 when he drops too much. So Nkosingiphile Ngcobo is definitely going to start. On the right, Mfundo Vilakazi, who also had a great shift in the Toyota Cup. And with Pule Modi out, it means our only out and out wingers is Mfundo Vilakazi and Todile Lepo. So Mfundo Vilakazi looks set to start on the right. On the left, Todile Lepo, of course, our best player, one of our best players last season. He starts on the right. Up front, Flavio Silva, who has a lot to prove. He looked much better against in the Toyota Cup, especially on the ball. I think he looked very comfortable on the ball. This is going to be his first competitive game, so, and unfortunately he has to deliver. The fans are not going to be patient. We want result at this particular time. There are no excuses for him and the new signings, so he better hit the ground running, mate. And overall, I want a win in this game. I want nothing less than a win. The only way I can take a draw is if we play really well, create chances. I can take a point then, because we also have to keep in mind that we are playing against a team who finished third in the last 2 seasons, reached the semi-finals of the CAF Confederations Cup last season. They won a trophy in the 23-24 season. So they are a very good team. One can say they've been, actually it's a fact, they've been better than us in the last 2 seasons, so I can take a draw with a good performance, but if you ask me, mate, I want a win. This season I want to win games. I'm not building, I'm not being patient, I just want results. So let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll be back with the match reaction on Sunday. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to not miss out on anything. Thanks for watching. I'm out.